Today we're making a delicious corned beef hash with eggs. First off, we add 1 full can of your corned beef hash. That doesn't matter what kind of brand you like. Take your preference and you add it to our breakfast maker. Next, we grab 2 eggs and we crack them and put them inside the breakfast maker on top of your corned beef hash. Now place the lid on top of your breakfast maker and move it over to your microwave. Set your timer to 4 minutes. Once it's done, be very careful when you take it out. It will be very, very hot. Now look how good that turned out. Delicious.